morning with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there. St. Mary with St.
Miss Daddy, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Welcome, Paris. This is a different little video. Not that I've never done videos like this before, but since the pandemic, you know, everything did just change in a lot of people's lives, including mine. So this morning I have a little vegetable haul for you from down by the market, of course. So here I have some carrots, nice locally grown carrots. Yeah, have here some beetroots. I use whole heap of beetroot. Okay, got me some peppers. Not the cutest and the best, but I think them time of the year, you know, get nice pretty pepper with the winter and them same. But these not bad at all. We have some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. I always tell you, know, these are Scotch bonnet, and this is how a Scotch bonnet look like. You know, some other pepper and a Scotch bonnet, them are just some local pepper, scotchy. Sometimes, you know, if we scotchy them pretty. So these are like not the cutest, but then can go on. I have some pimento seeds. These are Jamaican, really. So these fine. Oh my God, these are filled with flavors. I really, really appreciate this. I have here some locally grown onions. Filled onion. This is what it look like. Always firm. Very rare you find them. Them not soft. Always firm, and they are very flavorful. Lots and lots and lots of flavor. More than the imported ones. Cabbage. We have this, and I have this size. Okay, I have here some tomatoes. In Jamaica we call them slice. Some people want to say, oh no, we call them sliced tomato in Jamaica. Most people, knock your uptown, downtown, cross town, around town, or under town, we say sliced tomato. I see people come and say, oh, we don't that. In Jamaica they are called sliced tomato or salad. Because people slice them up and put them in them food. We love that. It make your food, when you dish your food or you present it, make your food look rich. Some little chocho, yeah, things bad, but we give God the glory. And they are green skinned, yeah. I have here some thyme, and this look like the St. Andrew thyme. This, you see it? So it's short, yeah. That's how the St. Andrew thyme look. And right here I have a whole host of nice. This is the favorite for me as of right now. St. Andrew scallions. You see how them broad like something like leeks. These are flavors. This is how the top of them look. Let me tell you, man, the flavor right now is to die for up in my nose. Yeah, all a nice little piece here. St. Andrew scallion. Yeah, I'm not really buy the other one again much. So this is what I have. So give them a little overview again. This is just what I have, and as the time go by and get back to normal, as when I can, I will continue to show you these little all. And look here, I know you're gonna ask me how much. I can't tell you how much because of house and land money. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again. And remember, never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.